welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Today I have Subaru. This vehicle has a problem with misfire, check engine on the dashboard, and loss of power. Then it has a problem with acceleration. So I'm going to scan this vehicle using my safe thing. It's a small diagnostic gadget. Let me plug in. I've already connected. So the second thing, we need to go to the app. Take this gadget on my phone. Let's scan this vehicle. This is the powerful machine, by the way, Subaru. Connecting by Bluetooth. Subaru Legacy BWBTE. Health status. Under health status, we have 4 fault. Engine has 2. Then power supply 1. Then CRS 5. These are the main fault code. Let me show you. 100%, 97. We are almost there. This is the fault code. So under engine, we have 2 fault code, P0102 and P0113. P0102 is mass air flow sensor, and P0113 is intake air temperature sensor circuit malfunction. We are going straight to the mass airflow sensor. Let me remove the probe. According to those faults, we have the symptoms may be the air cleaner or dirty mass airflow sensor itself. So before we replace this gadget, you need to clean it first. See, there is some dirty or dust particles on the tip of mass airflow sensor. That is the main problem. So I'm going to clean using the cup cleaner like this. The reason why I'm doing this is to eliminate check engine, to eliminate those 2 fault code, intake temperature and mass airflow sensor. Another thing is to improve a vehicle performance, then fuel efficiency, rough idling and misfire. After that, you need to make sure it's clean, and before we install, make sure put that sensor on the sun to dry first before we install back. After doing that, you need to install back. I'm doing this to save money by buying a new mass airflow sensor, and it's good to confirm the engine element also can cause those problems. So I'm going back to where I left. So I'm going to quick erase everything to make sure there's no any fault code in the system. Look at that. So right now everything's okay. So I'm going to start this vehicle to see how it's going to perform, if the check engine is gone, if there is an eco mode. See, so the main culprit was dirty mass air flow sensor. After cleaning, everything is stable. Look at the dashboard. There's no check engine. The engine is running smooth, no misfire, everything is perfect. So before you replace a new sensor, make sure you clean it. Even eco mode, you have eco mode. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.